It's the Indiana Blind Girl Aisha, and let's put in this wig from Amazon. This is everything that came into it. So this is Halo Queen's 13x4 loose wave lace wig. Y'all, there's so much parting space on this wig. You can have a really, really deep part if you wanted to. First of all, it's 200 density.
Well, I know that I need to conceal this part a little bit, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation. Ooh, that may be too much. Hold on, wait. Let's put a little bit of that back in my cap. I got this angled brush, and I figured it would be a little bit easier for me to use this instead of something that has a straight edge. So being that I'm low vision, I have to do things by touch a lot of the time, so that's all you see me doing here. Come back here. This is what the wig looks like. Let me do a 360. It is a bob. I don't know if I ever said that, but I'm sure I did now. But it is really flowy. I actually do like it. It already had came parted, so I didn't even have to do too much to nothing. If you want this wig, go to my Amazon storefront under wigs and more. Link in my